On question number 9, I want my answer as an exact answer. And notice it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So I know in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, my ratio goes x to the square root of 3 times x to 2x. Let's solve for x first. And I want to find the length of all the other sides. So I know x times the square root of 3 equals the square root of 42. So to solve for x, I divide by the square root of 3. 42 divided by 3 is the square root of 14, which does not simplify, so we get that. I don't have anything else here that means the square root of 14. Then I'm going to find 2x, that is double that, so 2x would be 2 square roots of 14. So I should have got my first two answers. If you see a 30, 60, 90 or a 45, 45, 90 triangle on your test, I don't want you using trig. I want the exact answer. Now in question number 5, I apologize. I either forgot to type in the length or my format didn't print it because I put it in math type and it didn't work. So we know A to B is 6. And in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, I know the side opposite the 30-degree angle is half, because we just talked about that. So B to C is 3. I think I told some of you just to find B to C. That's all you had to do. But in case you thought I needed something else, so I know A to C then, that since it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle, I know A to C is 3 square roots of 3. And then D to C, well, that's a 45, 45, 90 triangle, so I know D to C is 3. And then if I would have asked you to find A to D, I would just take 3 square roots of 3 minus 3. I like that. You can factor out a 3. It'll be 3 times the square root of 3 minus 1. Either way is correct. Okay, now, look at your ratios. I'm looking at an angle D. I got 2/3. Opposite and hypotenuse. When I'm doing 2/3. So opposite of D, hypotenuse is 3. So opposite hypotenuse, SOHCAHTOA. I saw some of you write that on your test. That's what we did. Okay, next one, I'm still looking at D. So the square root of 5 is adjacent. 3 is my hypotenuse, so that's cosine. 2, opposite, square root of 5 adjacent, so that's tangent for question 8.